Hey everyone, it's Janay, and today I'm coming at you with a new YouTube video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to walk in stripper shoes. If you don't already know, I'm a pole dancer and pole instructor, and here on my YouTube channel I pretty much just talk about all things pole. So if you're a stripper, a dancer, you take pole dancing classes, or you have a pair of pleasers because you think they're cute but you need tips on how to walk in them, then definitely stay tuned because I'm going to be showing you how to master your sexy walk all in these 8-inch boots. But before we even get into this video, definitely make sure you're subscribed because I don't want you to miss a thing. And make sure you're following me on Instagram at Janay so we can always stay connected and so you can see all the cool little pole stuff I be posting on there. But let's go ahead and get into this video. Okay, so first things first, I need to start off this video with a quick disclaimer. If you have never had a pair of pleaser heels before or any other similar dance shoes, but you're looking to get your first pair, please start off with 6-inch heels. Do not go off and get 8 inches like the ones I'm showing you in this video today. Please start off with 6 inches because if you go any higher than that and you've never walked in these shoes before, you're gonna increase your chances of getting hurt, and I don't want that to happen. And so I'll show you what a 6-inch heel looks like. This is a pretty standard dance shoe that most people start out with, and if you need any more recommendations, then definitely check out this video I have on my channel where I show you my entire shoe collection, and my shoes range from 6 inches all the way to 8 inches. So definitely check that out if you're interested, but just starting out, please just start with 6 inches. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is put on your shoes and make sure they are comfortable. If you've never had a pair of dance shoes or pleaser heels before, they tend to come in kind of small because they stretch out over time. So what you want to do is try them on, and I like to put mine on with socks so they stretch out a little bit more, but you just want to get a feel of the shoes to break them in and so they can start to mold to the shape of your foot. Now, a lot of people tend to get a little bit intimidated when they get their first pair of pleasers because of how high the heel is, but if you look at your shoe, yes, it is a high heel, but you also have this very tall platform. And so what that means is when you put your shoe on, there's not a steep arch in your foot at all. So it's actually very comfortable to walk around in because these shoes were made for dancing. So if anything, this high heel is just an illusion. They're not hard to walk in at all. So now your shoes are on and comfortable, but before you start practicing your walk or dancing, you want to make sure your legs are fully engaged. When you put your shoes on, they essentially become an extension of your legs. So you want to make sure your straps are tightened, they're laced up properly, so you have that full support for your feet and for your ankles, so that when you start walking around and dancing, you're not wobbly at all, you are fully stable and supported. All right, now let's go ahead and break down this walk. First, you always want to make sure you walk one foot right in front of the other. And as you can see, with each step I take, I'm walking heel to toe. Your heel should come down first and then your toe. Now, as you notice, most dance shoes tend to have a lifted platform, and that's so you can roll over the ball of your feet when you're dancing or performing. But you want to be careful not to roll over the ball of your feet when you're walking. So now that you have your basic walk down, let's go ahead and add a little bit of sex appeal to it. Dragging your feet and swaying your hips make a huge difference when it comes to mastering your walk. So when you start practicing, just remember to slow down a little bit. Take your time and really flow through the movements. I tell this to my students all the time in class when I'm teaching them how to walk around the pole. Definitely take that time to just drag your feet from one step to the next, sway your hips a little bit, and don't forget to add small details like touching your body, flipping your hair. All of these small details make a huge difference when it comes to making your walk sexy and not boring. So sis, just play around with it. Take the time to just slow down and flow through all of those movements. As simple as it seems, working on your walk can not only help to improve your performance and help you get in tune with your body, but it also helps to boost your confidence. So please, even though it's something simple and small, definitely work on it and just add those few details in there that I talked about in this video, and then you will have mastered your sexy walk. All right, you guys, that's gonna wrap it up for this YouTube video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and comment down below if there are any other tips, tricks, tutorials that you would like to see from me. As always, don't forget to subscribe because I don't want you to miss a thing. And make sure you're following me on Instagram at Janay so we can always stay connected. And until next time, I'll see you. Bye.